During stressful and uncertain times, it's important to prioritize your well-being. These simple, evidence-based tips can help improve your mental health, and you can try them all through student life workshops, groups, and events. Number 1, connect with others. Connecting with family, friends, and people in your community helps you find support and build meaningful relationships. Whether it's in person or online, social connections are an important part of your overall well-being. Check out the events calendar on clnx.utoronto.ca for lots of ways to connect. Number 2, keep learning. Learning helps you have new experiences, keeps your mind engaged, and can go way beyond your coursework. Develop a new hobby and discover unique student groups at sop.utoronto.ca. To learn new coping skills, head to healthandwellness.utoronto.ca to find great workshops and resources. Number 3, notice how you're feeling. Practicing self-awareness and mindfulness can teach you how to identify and work through negative emotions, thoughts, and stress. Discover mindfulness techniques through meditation and yoga, or learn how to balance your thoughts and practice restorative breathing. Check out UofT.me/mindful moments for more resources. Number 4, be active. Physical activity boosts your mood and energy levels. Explore online fitness programs and resources such as recorded workouts and live classes from MoveU, UofT Sport and Rec, and Heart House Fitness to discover how you can enjoy moving your body and being active. Number 5, give. Expressing gratitude and doing something nice for others can make you feel good. Use your strengths and skills to volunteer and support the community by joining community action projects. Visit uoft.me/caps to learn more. Remember, stress affects us all differently, and how you take care of yourself is unique to you. For more strategies and resources on how you can apply these tips to your daily life, attend the 5 Ways to Wellbeing workshop. These are just a few examples of ways to be well. Follow @UofT Student Life on social media to discover more, and visit uoft.me/mentalhealthcare for more resources to support your mental health.